bottom. You know, we only have a different way of doing it. I do it like this, but you do it as long as you don't cut your hands.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut more the potato, but you used to put enough oil while they fry.
What is the temperature on the oven?
How I did, I don't know.
Oh, I'm saying, like, do you have it on high or low or medium or?
Well, not too high otherwise you burn them. Medium, more like. It's too depend on the stove too. With frittata, with potato, with zucchini, with anything.
You said it's not for breakfast, it's for dinner?
In Italy, nobody has breakfast. You know, they all have milk
Right.
and coffee. This way it fries inside.
If it's thinner.
Frozen. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take pictures of the frozen. Cents a dozen. So that's
Yeah. Good value.
good. Look. Make sure they're all potatoes are covered.
Wow.
What I do to have the egg go on the bottom, I lift it up a little bit and the egg goes down. This way. You don't have to wait too long for the egg to cook, and then it'll burn at the bottom.
Right.
The cook, they have a lot of tricks.
Yeah.
Now you better take this as the trick.
Oh.
And you gotta watch it so you don't burn that you don't have too much oil in there.
Yeah.
And when you do that, the oil doesn't burn your arms.
Yeah.
You know?
Right. That would hurt.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, look at that. How long do you keep it on this side?
A couple of 2-3 minutes.
Alrighty.
Then you turn it, and then if you think that it needs more, you do it again. You turn it.
Yeah.
Let's do it again. There you go. Beautiful.
Wow, yeah.
Perfect. Let them cook a little bit on the other side, and then it's ready. But to us, it's a common, as Italian, you know. We do. I see my mother. I used to see my sister. Zia do everything. I mean, Mama, she used to go work on a farm, so she didn't have too much time in the kitchen. She didn't like the kitchen. She loved her farm. That was it. Okay, perfect.
Wow. Beautiful, Nonna.
That's really, look how thick it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, one of these, it's a meal.
Yeah. Definitely. Maybe a few.
Yeah. Oh. It tastes so good because you eat it.
Hmm.